Hello everybody, welcome back. And today we're going to be doing something that's can be a little bit controversial, and that is we're going to be, I would say, pruning back our Crepe Myrtle, but actually I would say a better description would be cutting back our Crepe Myrtle. And so before you start hating on it, just want you to know that about 7 or 8 years ago, before I had learned about how to prune and keep them under control, I cut this particular Crepe Myrtle, cut it back, and some of you would refer to it as Crepe Murder. Well, anyway, because of where I want to put my raised bed garden, and just where we're going to have things in the backyard, I need to cut it back again. So I've decided that kind of the lesser of two evils is to kind of cut it back to where I had cut it before. It came back out again, and after a couple of years it was fine. I mean, you can certainly look in there and see the branches and see where it was cut, so I'm not saying you couldn't see that. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm waiting for my buddy Jeremiah to get here. Some of you remember him from videos where we renovated the yard. He was a big help, and so today he's going to be joining me. I got the new steel pruner for my combi system, so I'm anxious to use that. And I believe I'm going to be able to reach everything from a platform ladder, which if you've never used a platform ladder, I mean, they're great. You can be up, but yet you're very stable. So we're going to give that a try. And anyway, thanks for joining in, and we're going to get to work here in just a bit. Alright, well, we finally got that. We've got the Crepe Myrtle pruned or cut back, whichever you prefer to call it. Jeremiah's just raking up a little bit of the sticks. It sure was nice having him here, and as the limbs come off, he immediately picked them up, took them out to our brush pile, so I wasn't having to work around, because as it ended up, I had to move the ladder quite a bit. It just seemed like I had to cut one side, get those few limbs down, move the ladder to the other side, because I was always trying to get the limbs to fall and not get hung up in the other branches. So it took a couple hours to do that, but that's not bad, because now we've got them all the limbs out to the street and ready for the town to pick them up. We've got a few more things to do. A few limbs that are hanging over the fence from the other side, we're going to go around and clean up those, and then this part of this little project will be done. Give a little more light to the lawn, and also we're going to kind of move our fire pit over there, so it'll give us more space for that. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, share them with your friends, and then hit the little bell notification if you want to see other videos that we do. So again, thanks for joining. I hope you have a blessed day.